Hi guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 and let me show you how to change date and time on this device. First of all, open the settings, then find and select General Management, mark date and time, and here click on Automatic Date and Time because most probably you will have this setup active once you enter this mode. So once you open it and you've got Automatic Date and Time, just unmark it. And now you can smoothly customize date and time and also time zone however you like. So just mark here and choose date and time that you want to have. Then also change the time zone if you want to. So that's it. Whenever you want to go back to automatic setup, just mark this indicator as I showed you previously. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.